Hello! Welcome to Unicorn Princess Tarot. So, ito yung reading natin for Scorpio. Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus, Jupiter, Scorpio. Check mo yung natal chart mo. For those of you na hindi pa nakasubscribe sa channel, pahit na lang ng subscribe button, notification bell. Ayan, ma-appreciate ko po lahat ng likes, comments, and shares. If you want, pwede ka magpa-personal reading kay Jing Tarot Trader. O, search mo lang siya sa Facebook. Okay? Ako pag mag-a-announce ako ng mga reading, kung mag-available o kung magiging available na siya ulit, doon ka siya sa Facebook page maipopost. So, be sure na naka-follow din kayo doon. Madam P, pwede mo ma-search, hashtag Unicorn Princess Tarot, yan ang i-search mo. Let's start. For the sign of Scorpio, main energy is the Jack of Hearts. What's with the Jack of Hearts? Well, 888 is here. This is an angel number. And then you do have here the 10 of spade at the, no, sumama lang ito. Kasama ito. And then you do have here the 9 of diamonds at the bottom of the deck. Okay, so actually ito nakikita natin ito as you. This is your main energy. I feel like well, I feel like you're stuck with your emotions. May emotion ka na something na parang you feel a lot of emotions pero parang stuck ka dito sa emotion na to. Ayaw mong maramdaman to pero parang ang hirap na alisin tong emotion na to sa sarili mo. Like, tinatry mo yung best mo na tapusin, mawala, or maybe to move on, to walk away, to forget itong nararamdaman mo, but you are the Jack of Hearts. It's hard, mahirap. I feel like you are deeply connected with someone. Sobra yung connection mo dito sa taong to. Na it's like a forever kind of connection. Parang noon hanggang ngayon, ganun pa rin yung emosyon na nararamdaman mo para sa taong to. 3 of Hearts is here. This could be a friend, childhood, sweetheart, childhood lover, whatever, pero nakita natin na matagal na itong connection ninyo ng person na to. I'm seeing the angel number 555. So, a lot of changes ang nangyari sa inyo ng person na ito. 5 of Clover. Some of you pwedeng nagalit siya sa'yo or hindi niya gusto yung mga ginawa mo, or like pwedeng I'm seeing competition para sa iba. Competition or may other people na involved dito sa connection na ito na nagiging dahilan kung ba't nagkakaroon ng changes. And then, etong connection ninyong dalawa. Anong emosyon ninyo ng person na ito? Emosyon ninyong dalawa ng person na ito. For Scorpio, Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus, Jupiter, Scorpio. 10 of Diamonds is here. This is your emotion. 3 of Spade. Okay. Mahal mo yung tao eh. Ace of Hearts is here. Mahal mo yung tao. 3 of Spade. Kaya lang napipilitan kang mag-focus sa finances, sa pera with the 10 of Diamonds dahil sa 3 of Spade. Maybe there's another party na involved dito. It could be your side kasi 8 of Spade is also showing as a stuck energy sa side mo. So, pwedeng ikaw ay stuck sa isang connection, relationship na nagiging dahilan kung bakit with the 10 of Diamonds. Mahirap na isipin itong taong to kasi pwedeng hindi pwede. Kailangan ko mag-focus sa career ko. Huwag ko siyang isipin. But honestly, you do feel a lot of intensity, a lot of love dito sa taong to. Hindi, nahirapan ka lang talagang i-open up yun sa kanya. Ayan, 4 na yun, 8 na nagpakita. Like what I've told you, it's like a forever kind of thing, a forever kind of love, and etc. Parang yung emotion mo sa kanya is mahirap kalimutan kasi parang ang tagal na, sobrang tagal na din. Nagdadagdagan pa. You go over the 6 of Clover. Emotion ng person mo para sa'yo. Six of Clover, Seven of Hearts is here. So, I'm seeing a lot of clover here dito sa side ng person mo. So, nakakita tayo ng actions dito sa person na to. So, ano yung emotion niya? Inaksyonan niya yun in the past. And nakita tayo, yeah, the Six of Clover is showing is the past energy. Nagpakita siya ng concern, nagpakita siya ng pagpapahalaga sa'yo, but then, pinakita mo na parang wala lang. So, the Queen of Spades is showing as your person cutting you off. Masakit man, mahirap, pero kina-cut off ka nitong person na to kasi wala naman siya nahita, wala naman siya napala doon sa mga concern na ipinakita niya sa'yo. In the near future, you do have here the Nine of Diamonds, the Ten of Clover is here. What's with the Ten of Clover? I will not take this masyadong marami. What's with the Ten of Clover? Ten of Clover is clarified by the Four of Diamonds. In the near future for you, Scorpio, the Joker is here. Followed by the Four of Clover, Seven of Clover, ayan. And the Ten of Hearts, ayan. The Four of Hearts is here. Okay, meron na naman tayong angel number 444. There's going to be a new beginning sa side ng person mo. Sa'yo actually, there's ending na nangyayari sa iyo ng person ito with the Nine of Diamonds. Actually, ikaw lang naman kasi makakapagbukas ng pintuan or ng buhay mo dito sa person na to. It's like, this person knocked on your door. Pero, alam mo yon, yung buhay mo kasi is like, ikaw ang may hawak ng susi. Kumbaga, ikaw yung nasa loob ng pintuan. Buhay mo yan. Kung gusto mong papasukin tong person na to sa buhay mo, kumatok naman siya, all you have to do is to open yourself, open your life dito sa taong to. But it's your choice. Some of you with the Four of Diamonds, ang iniisip mo kasi masyado yung sarili mo. Maybe your home, maybe your finances, and your responsibilities with the Ten of Clover. So, dahil ito yung mga nasa isip mo, hindi mo pinagbubuksan ng pintuan itong person na to. So, nangyayari, nagkakaroon ng ending. Well, actually, honestly, ang pinahirapan mo dito ay sarili mo. The Joker is here. This person is having new beginning. I can see new beginning with the Four of Clover. May kinalaman sa kanyang stability, may kinalaman sa kanyang home. New beginning with the Seven of Clover. So, nakakita tayo dito ng, I can see pagta-travel dito sa person na to. Then, eventually, this pagta-travel could lead into the Ten of Hearts. Possible love. And Four of Hearts is here. So, you might not be sure about this person, kung anong kalalabasan in the future, pero lagi mong tatandaan, mababago lang ang future kung ayusin mo ang present moment. So, hanggat hindi mo ino-open ang pintuan mo dito sa taong ito, hindi mababago ang future sa inyo. Samantalang sa side ng person mo, nababago yung kanya kasi sa totoo lang, kumatok naman siya. Pero kung hindi mo pagbubuksan, pwede namang umalis na lang. And thank you for watching. I love you all and bye-bye.